In Russia, I was teacher of literature. In America, I'm cleaner of bird poop. I am lonely. Miss my language. I just would like someone to talk to.
Join the club.
What?
I said join the club.
He's intelligent. He can talk. Speak.
Now, don't you think if we had an animal with that kind of intelligence, somebody here would have noticed?
You can talk.
Of course I can talk.
Then why you not?
Because talking just gets you in trouble.
How you say that?
It's a long story.
I'm Russian. I like long stories.
My life began with Marie.
You want some? Paulie is helping me learn some new words.
Birds don't teach. I don't think she can tell the difference between fantasy and reality. I really think that we should consider getting rid of the bird.
Marie? Marie!
Paulie!
Marie!
Come back to me, Paulie! I love you!
Now you gotta walk the walk. DreamWorks Pictures presents a journey of 1,000 miles
I have to find my friend.
that begins with a single parrot.
Can you tell me where I am?
You can talk.
They talk.
They don't talk. I say taco, they say taco.
Taco, taco, taco.
Blueberries are blue. Are cranberries crayon?
Are boysenberries boys or girls?
What is this?
It's a flashcard, you idiot.
How do I score that?
Score this!
Who's learning that talking can get you into trouble.
Hit the bricks, ugly.
Train the bird to insult your customers?
No, I can tell you're ugly all by myself.
Somebody has to teach this beautiful bird some manners.
But friendship
I really like you a lot.
I really like you a lot.
Are you just repeating what I'm saying?
Are you just repeating what I am saying?
gives you wings to fly. This spring, discover America through the eyes of Paulie. Coming soon to a theater near you.
Globotech Defense Systems. In a secret lab, the world's most advanced military microprocessor has been created. But the Cold War is over. For Globotech to survive, new markets must be found. Now, all that power has been placed into the brain of a fighting machine unlike any known to man. They made it strong. They made it clever. They made it small. They made a mistake.
Commandos, attack!
I'm talking about toys that are so smart, when kids play with them, they play back.
Chip Hazard reporting for duty.
You put munitions, chips, and toys?
Big action.
Oh my God, I'm having an aneurysm.
Big trouble.
Last chance, scum.
Oh, yeah?
Medic!
Big movie.
They might be
Defective. What are you packing, Tiny? Packing you.
Small soldiers.
You'd have to be crazy not to be scared.